Watch, watch. When you not see what I go on, I can't even do no introduction. Me bumbo clad. Yo, excuse me French. Bumbo rascal. No, excuse me Chinese. Muma pussy. Yo, you hear me? Excuse me Vietnamese. Yo, when you not see what I go on, when you not see what time I cause. Yo, I say I show out the Fort Jenna boss and I say Jenna, you not hear timer. And some man I say you're a rhymer. The man say I live in fuck with that. Look up now the ear. If you not see the blood clot Black Ark helicopter, you don't know it's me. I did it down. A whole heap of gunshot I got fire. I say blood clot now, Jenna. You get mad. The man say, General, give me the key to the storeroom. Rocket launcher, RPG, Bushmaster, M1 Singer. Give me all of the 40 them. Boy head a go run smooth like double 40. I say bumbo clad. Alright Jenna. The man say yo, all you hear them talk about timer and rhymer, just listen what I go come after. It's going to be a total disaster. The man say you don't know. My father they are prison because me already make them know. Say Addy and my daddy. Him say my father they are prison. And in the history of Jamaican dancehall music in this generation where them talk about lyrical artists is Vybz Kartel and I did it down of them talk about. So if Kartel not there about there ain't no man right now for match him up where lyrics concern. So right now Jenna, me not wrong you. You're right. You're right. And some people go like them not believe it. Prove it to them. Show them it. Because they don't know. The world boss will come a road next year and it will remain the same. When them say Vybz Kartel, them to say I don't know after. Don't make no man take that space there. Your time now. You see it, did it? Everything come back right on your feet. You know what I mean? Them say Vybz Kartel, I don't know baddest lyrics in a Jamaica dancehall. Don't make no man take your position. It come back right on your feet now, Jenna. Take what's rightfully yours. A your time now. Yeah. Make the whole world know you. The whole four corner of the world know you. Take your rightful position, Jenna boss.